What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. Here's my Honda Civic, the 2022 hatchback EXL. It's pretty chill, good first car or good second car. And just going first, just some mods. You know, got the little lip. You know, just something chill. Show 'em. Something chill. Kind of cheap, but got off Amazon. All the parts you're gonna see, I'll provide a link for it down below in the description. And also, you can see I did this this exhaust setup. Had diffuser. All the links are gonna be on there. Coming around, the little cosmetics like a blacked out little antenna, some door handles. But check out the chrome rims. But don't sleep on Walmart, you guys. I got these on Walmart. The RTXs, some chrome. They came really like in 2 or 3 days. It was pretty fire. Going to the front, got a little decal, little Honda decal. It's pretty chill. It's kind of dirty right now. Drip. Got a front lip. And obviously we have the fake ass Type R badges. Pretty chill. Makes the car pop, in my opinion. But yeah, that's my walkthrough. But today we're gonna be installing this Type R wing. So me personally, I haven't seen any videos of people installing the tape Type R wing, which is obviously like the Type R wing where you don't just drill any screws in your car, which I wanted because I'm not trying to drill any holes right now. So yeah, today we're gonna be installing that, see how it looks for you guys, for the people, to see if you want to buy it or not. I'll provide the link down there as well, and let's get to it. Alright guys, I'm back. So here it is. Just put tape all around the outside. So yeah, pretty simple. Later I'll show you how to install this as well. Yeah, one down, one to go. We'll be back. Alright. So we ran into a problem, so we just ran out of tape. I think I went too much on the first one, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So let me see what I'm gonna do. I'll come back, you guys. Alright, so I just checked around and I don't think I have any. So I'm just gonna pack this up real quick and just go buy some, I guess. Maybe they have some at the AutoZone or O'Reilly. What's a bummer. Alright, well, I'll be back. Alright, so we're back, you guys. So don't troll me, but this tape's actually called 3M tape, not tape. So no hate in the comments, you guys, please. Alright, so I got the little supporters on. It's pretty easy, just 3 loop screws. Same thing on that side. That's how it looks. Pretty simple. Alright, now I'm gonna do this part. There's gonna be three screws on this side. So obviously you just screw these in. So I'm gonna do that right now. Alright. Alright, so we got the first one on there. Just a heads up, you guys. Before you put the supporters on, put those white things on first, because it was kind of a pain in the butt. But I got it on there. So I'm gonna do the next one now. Alright guys, we're back. So I got everything installed. Here it is, just 3 screws here and 3 screws there, the same side for the other side. The 3M tape, pretty simple. I'm gonna put it on some of my cars to see how it looks for right now. Alright, so for now, because I gotta hold it, because I think it was sliding. You know, obviously for the YouTube video. So here's how it looks. It's pretty clean. Obviously it's like not attached, so it kind of looks kind of wonky. It's a side view. So with this one specifically, like obviously you're gonna have kind of like this dent right here, probably like this big. It's not really noticeable, like if you're driving or something. Obviously if you come close to it, you're gonna see like there's a gap right here. You see it? But yeah, it's not that bad. For how it looks, without like using any bolts, I think it's pretty clean. That's how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up, clean my car up a little bit, and put it on. I'll start by put it on. Here it looks. Also, this is the inside of my car. Very chill. And the railing, just the badge. Got one of these as well. Just chilling. And this is the, can't really tell, but this is my point of view of the rear. So the spoiler, it doesn't even look like it's there, to be honest. Like, it's pretty good. Not in my view. Go Packers. But I'm gonna go somewhere and take some pictures and videos for you guys so you can see like the difference. I'll be back. Alright, so here's the final review. I think that should look so dope. Not bad. I think it's sick. Look at that thing. I think it's sick. It's the top. The back. It looks incredible actually. Like, whoa. Fake ass type of fluid. No, I'm joking. That's sick. So here it looks. It's dope. Just gonna end the video right there, guys. So appreciate you guys watching. If there's any questions, comments, concerns, go on in the comments. I'll leave the links for whatever. Just comment in the comment section what you guys want a link for. The install, whatever. I think it's pretty sick. Look at that thing. Yeah, I like it. Alright guys, well, happy holidays. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. I'm happy with my gift. Alright guys, I'm out. So here are my final words. I think it'll be very durable. I've been shaking the like, I mean, it shakes when I grab it like that, but I'm pretty sure on the freeway, like when your car is like bouncing or something on rocks, like it's pretty stiff. But yeah, here it is.